Hey guys, it's me, Ekag, and today on this video I'm going to play as my new account, Ekag's Little Helper, as you can see here. This is my second account. Ekag's Little Helper is my second account. I use it so I can make Animal Jam videos, and if I need like a second person or a second character, I've got that. If I'm making like a roleplay video, I've got that second person. I'm buddies with myself, obviously. I'm my only buddy. That's actually quite sad. Anyway, in this video, I'm doing how to level up, as I may have already said. So the first thing you obviously need to do, well, not obviously, in case you've never gone to Animal Jam, is go to Adventure Base Camp, which you can get to through the Lost Temple of Zeus, which is over here. You can enter it through here, which says the phantom thing. Caution, phantoms. Phantoms ahead, beware. Okay, so here we are in Adventure Base Camp. And the first thing you do is go into, I've forgotten what it's called. It's not the Trial of Zeus. I've forgotten what it's called. I will find it. Training grounds. You have to do that first. There used to be like a portal here, just like the ones over here, where you could get into, what's it called? Adventure Base Camp. Oh, no. Not into Adventure Base Camp, but you get into the thing that you have to do before you go on to any adventure, which I'm pretty sure is called Training Ground. So this is what it looks like. So that is one way to get a level. If you're a non-member or a member, you can level up by doing that. You can probably level up by doing it twice or something like that. I'm not sure. Okay, that's really appropriate. This place here I just wanted to point out, that's really cool. You can buy things like phantoms, like that. I remember getting that once, but like, I want to hang it up somewhere, but where can I hang it? These. I remember I used to get them, but then I'm like, oh, actually I don't want to get this because it's cool throwing a phantom in here. But I've been playing it for a really long time, so. Anyway, a second way to level up, play an adventure. All you gotta do is play an adventure, as you can probably tell. I don't think there is any other way to level up, except for doing adventures. So, probably wanted to know good ways to do that, probably wasted your time, but that is how you level up. Go on adventures. I will show you. Join an adventure. Let's play no more. So you've just got to play an adventure like this, and it will be awesome. Then you'll level up, and then you get to do all these cool and fun things in the adventure. And if you know any other way to level up, become level 12 or 153, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.